guys, so part 2. Okay. Please, para bili na tayo ng axe. Oh?
Dancing challenge today na ituturo ng ating mga savage disc dancers. Our 49 disc dancer, Dashley Choi and Dashura!
Kailan tayo? Wala. Wait lang. Kukuha lang ako axe. Yan na guys. Oh wait. Yan na guys. Yan na ako bago axe. What? Wait lang. Guys. Ito na guys.
Tapos, next one is, naka-side yung arms. Tapos, ikot. Tapos, ulitin natin. Ikot. Ito yung start. Okay? So, next one, move on tayo. Then is go. Pero parang ibang version. Usually, ang ginagawa natin ganito. Sa Ipulaga. Pero ngayon naman po, iba po. So, naka-close yung dalawang kamay. Tapos, right arm will go up. Mabilis lang po yan. Tapos, okay, so, ganito po sasabay yung hip.
Makikita mo yung
Tapos, next one, clap.
Ha?
Tapos, next one is swing. Right
Ano
here.
yan? Salamin?
Tapos, next one is, ano ba Dasura? Next one.
Paano? Paano?
Tapos, left arm will go behind the head. One. Tapos, punch. Sipo pala. Tapos, sipo ulit. Open. Tapos, armway tayo. Yan. Parang Dasura. Ayan. Ganyan. Okay. So,
Wait lang.
ayan. Sayang mo.
Baka kumalas, ma'am. Okay.
Strong leg tayo.
Oo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Ay, dito kong matapang kapit na matapang sa dulo.
and the secret.
Ay, alam ko na yan. May lalabas aswang. Sundan mo. Bulag
Okay, next one is
O, diba?
wave.
Ito, ano yung dulo?
Eh? So, itong kick ko, you have to make your leg kick and then balik.
Mas maganda to.
And then you have to go down. At the same time, your right, you go up. Ito yung kick. Hindi lang naman.
Hindi ko alam kay Papa, ma.
Alright. After nito, you have to open. Tapos bunny. Tapos open right, left, shake. And then close, down, up, down. Yun.
What the?
Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, open. Bunny. Open, shake, close, down, up, down. Kaya mo pala eh. Parang she's getting better.
Yeah.
Okay, move on tayo. Next one is, nakataas yung kamay ng ganito. Tapos, at the same time, you have to move your hip right, left. Tapos, go right, brush, left, brush.
Ako tayo.
Throw it back ulit. Okay, after you throw it back, you have to open to the right side, and then arm will be like this. Right is punch, punch, and the three times, boom, boom, boom. Yan, dapat hataw tayo. After na boom, 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 down, open to the right, left,
E-editin ko ng CapCut natin, guys. Sorry. Guys.
Dancer na naman. Hindi ko parang makuha.
Hanap tayo.
Just really seeing California. If it ain't about the money, then you know I'm gonna ignore it.
Kasi ako ang ulam.
Nagkita ang Chavez! Nice! Kwentuhan naman tayo sa
Habulin natin yung baboy. Saan ka na?
Entrepreneur at mom of two kids, Brazilian Japanese na may pusong Pinoy, Vanessa Matsunaga.
villages. Yan, parang gusto ko na. No? Para mas maganda. Dito, para village. Na yan. Gagawin ko. Ito na pala tatapos ng video. Huwag niyo lang kalimutan. Like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye!